Guys, today I am going to be showing you my mini stapler. So this is my mini stapler. It actually works pretty good. See how I tested it out. It does work pretty good. I have to show you something really awesome. The little Totoros. So here's my first one. So cute. The little acorn thing when he gives to little girls. This one where May finds and she follows it because of the acorns dropping out of the bag. It's really cute. I love both of them so much. I ordered them for $16. The shipping was $3. I'm pretty sure there was $13 and the shipping was $3. Also, yeah, I really like this mini stapler a lot. The top kind of looks like a basketball, but it works really good. I want to show you guys. Okay. Yeah, I just stapled it. See? So, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was quick, I know that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I love you guys. Bye.